527 ready for departure.
Spot. I parked in a different place this time. It was a little cheaper, and there's an elevator to where the shuttle is, so I don't have to lug my bags down 2 flights of stairs. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna go catch the shuttle. Hey guys, so I hope you can hear me. It's very loud out here. Oh, someone lost their pillow. And I have my mask on, obviously. I just went to the new LAX in-flight base, which is super nice. I feel bad for Oakland, to be honest. Heading to my gate now. Got all checked in. I got here so fast. I got to the parking from my house in 59 minutes. That's crazy, unheard of. So anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm already all checked in. I'm just gonna head towards my gate. Just want to get the hang of being at this airport. All right, I'll talk to you guys more soon. Bye. Hello. So I worked the back of the plane today. I am the B position. Last trip I was the C position, which means I worked the exit row area. That was my designated spot. So today I'm in the back. So my responsibility is to make sure there's enough water on board and just, you know, check all the safety equipment, make sure that we have everything we need in case of emergency, and you know, check if the bathrooms are working and whatnot. So we're getting ready to board any minute now, and I will probably, I don't know, I have like 2 hours in Sacramento, so I'll probably chat with you then. Okay, bye.
So whether I work in the front or the back, I usually start by putting all my stuff away, and then I will either use a Sani wipe or some antibacterial spray that we often have on the aircraft, and clean all the surfaces that someone else may have touched before I got there. So even flight attendants or maybe the crew that puts the drinks and stuff on, the Provo crew. So I'll clean the phones, the seat belts, and all the little handles and touch points in the galley. I try to hit all those just to give a little scrub down so I don't pick up anybody else's germs. And then something we started this week was a modified drink service. Adding to our water only was Coke, Diet Coke, and 7-Up. No talking, you just used a number, so it was kind of interesting, but it worked pretty well. Honestly, it wasn't as annoying as I thought it would be.
Hey you guys, so we have like 2 hours to wait for our next flight, Phoenix, Sacramento, sorry, I forget to not abbreviate cities. And we're going Sacramento to Phoenix, and then Phoenix to San Jose. And I made my little sandwich here, my little pita sandwich, and I had the brilliant idea of putting the romesco dip on it. It's amazing! Have you ever had a word where you can't say it correctly? I have a really hard time with that romesco. I want to say romesco. I want to put a U in there somewhere. It is romesco. Romesco. So anyway, if you buy it, it has many uses. Sandwich. Yeah, it was a crazy flight a little bit, y'all. It was a lot of people. We had 160 people, and sometimes adults do not behave like adults. It's super fun. I just gave him my mom look. It's like, better behave. Take you down. In my most hospitable voice. It's really hard when you can't actually smile. But actually, it's probably a little bit better because my freaking annoyed face is hidden. So that's always good. Alright, I'm going to stop talking now and eat my sandwich.
Day 2.
Alright, this is the view from my room. Nothing. Some mountains over there. Hey, good morning. Wow. Actually don't look too thrashed this morning. We got in, I want to say after 11. Probably got to the hotel about 11:30 last night, and I just didn't have it in me to video. And I should have eaten on that break. I had snacks, and I should have eaten like a real meal. I got here, and I was too hungry just to go to bed. So thankfully, there was a microwave in my room, so I was able to warm up my food and eat some food, my shrimp and cauliflower, which was really good. But then I just ended up staying up until like 12:30, and now it's about 9, which is unheard of. I did not sleep till 9, but I'm gonna make some coffee now. We report to the van at 2:15, and we have 3 legs today, going to Orange County, Phoenix, and then back to Minneapolis. I have some plans for Minneapolis. I don't know if I've shared them yet, so I'm going to tell you in a little bit once I get coffee in me. There's something else I wanted to tell you. I can't remember. I think I got a bug bite last night, or like early this morning. I felt this like pinch on my arm, and then I went to scratch it, and then I felt like something like small in my but now when I look at it, it doesn't look like anything. Like, I swear I got up and there was like a little bump, and I didn't find like a bug or a spider or anything, but and now it looks like nothing. So maybe I just imagined it. I hope so. I remembered what I was gonna say. I brought this coat or jacket for Minneapolis, but I'm wearing it in my hotel room because it is so cold in here. I had the heater on 73, and it literally never got warm. The air blowing out of the fan it felt like air conditioning. So I don't think their heaters work. Good thing I bring my extra blanket, right? Like, what would I do if I didn't have that? I would have been freezing last night. So anyway, that's what I want to share with you. So I'm wearing my Patagonia with my pajamas. I'm a dork. Hey friends, it's me again. Who did you think it was gonna be? So I made a personal decision to stay in bed. I wanted to go down to the gym, but I was just so tired from last night. I really was like extra tired. So I made a decision to close my eyes a little bit longer, and now I am going to fill up the tub and give myself a little soak. I'm just walking back. I'm pacing. I always think I'm going to pack a bath bomb, but I don't know. Does anybody else have a problem paying $7 just to take a bath? It doesn't seem like it's really that amazing. But if you know of a bath bomb or like something that I can travel with, look at my hair. What's going on with this piece right here? I would like to maybe, oh look, I'm wearing my jacket still. Yes, I took a nap in my jacket. Don't judge me. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna just take a soak in the tub and then probably slowly start getting ready. I still have a couple hours before I have to report, but I just don't want to be rushed, and that's all. Last week in Minneapolis, it was not like this. Good morning. I can't believe I'm up. Yesterday was a bit cray-cray. Well, actually, the first part was fine. Totally went smoothly. And then we got to Phoenix. And, sorry. Our what's it called? Flight our flight kept going like back and forth from like delayed to not delayed. And so we just were kind of like, well, we'll see what happens when we get there. And then when we got there, it was about 30 minutes delayed. And then it just kept getting more. And then it was like an hour delayed. And so the airplane that we were taking hadn't even gotten there yet by the time we got there. So we went over, we waited at the gate. And then the airplane finally shows up, and then they had a mechanical. So we took our stuff down to get set up, and they're like, "Yeah, don't get comfy." And so we pulled out our food, and we were like gonna eat real quick before anything else happened. And they're like, "Yeah, this plane isn't going anywhere for a while, so y'all are moving to a different gate, to a different aircraft." So we had to pack up all our food, pack up all our crap, and go to a different gate. So by the time we finally got out of there, I think it was close to an hour and a half delayed. And so we got into, gracious. We got into Minneapolis about 2 Central Time. So it's like midnight, my hometown time. So I got to bed about 3 here, and I'm up and it's 10 here. So, yeah, whatever. That's about 8 hours of rest. But I have plans today, and it's cold out, so I'm gonna go on an adventure, even though it's freaking freezing. I don't think it's snowing right now. Hopefully it doesn't, but I'm gonna try to take a train. My dad was born in St. Paul, and my niece looked up a bunch of family ancestry stuff, or I guess, is that the same thing, family ancestry? Anyway, so I was gonna go take a little adventure and kind of look around the area where my grandma lived and where my dad was born, and visit the cemetery. Yeah, so something I've never thought about doing before. Very excited. So I'm gonna get dressed and have some coffee and go on a little trek. So my adventure starts here at the Mall of America. Look at the butterfly exhibit above me. Isn't that the coolest thing? Okay, so I'm back in Minnesota, and I'm back at the Mall of America, but this time I'm just going through to catch the train, the blue line, and I'm gonna take it all the way over to St. Paul, and then I have to catch a bus, which will be interesting. I'm super nervous, so anyway, my coffee. Hey guys, I guess I could take this off for now. Whew, actually feels good to have that on. It's freaking cold. So I'm here at Calvary Cemetery in St. Paul, Minnesota. St. Paul is where my dad was born, and his family lived. I don't remember exactly when he moved to California. I want to say it was when he was like 15. I know his mother died, my grandmother died, when he was little, like 6. I honestly have no idea where I'm going. I'm going to look in the Find a Grave website in a second, but I'm gonna get to the top of this hill first. And holy crap, it's cold. For a minute I was thinking, oh, I could live in Minnesota. No, give me California all day, every day. All right, so I'm gonna get up to the top of this hill, and I'm gonna see if if I can find her or any of their names in the Find Your Grave. Okay, be right back. All right, my friends, I was not able to see what I wanted to see at the cemetery. I needed to do a little more research, so I will do that, and also I need it to not be snow covered. And also I need to not have to go to the bathroom so bad. I did find the office and they had a restroom, but now I have to head back to the hotel. So this trip will be continued later. But I don't know, it's kind of cool to think about. My dad lived in this area. My little dad. Yeah, it was a good trip. It was kind of tiring, but not horrific. I do think that I have finally realized that I like AM flying better. I just feel like I can recover better. And now, that being said, I do like getting in to the hotel in the night and then waking up and having a day to do stuff. So that's, you know, I guess I like both for different reasons, but for my rest, I think I definitely sleep better on the PM trips because I don't have to get up early. So anyway, it was a good trip. I survived. I did not get to do everything that I wanted to do as far as the cemetery goes, but I have big plans to figure that out, probably on a separate trip, not on a work trip. Right now I have 2 days off. I am going to get my nails done and basically just rest up and get ready for my next trip, which I'm very excited about. My husband is going to tag along. I have 2 good overnights. He's going to come with me on the first overnight, and so we'll look forward to that video coming up in probably about Sunday or Monday. Yeah, what's today? Wednesday. So I'm gonna post this one up tonight, and yeah. So hey guys, I know what I wanted to say. What the heck with all the subscribers? I've gotten a bunch of new subscribers. I mean, not in the thousands or anything, but I mean, everyone, I've told you guys this if you've seen my old videos, everyone, my husband's like, when are you gonna get bored of that? Never, never. Every time I see that number go up, it makes me so excited and so happy. And, but I would like to ask you something. If you would, click the thumbs up. That is like the biggest boost for my channel and super meaningful. I can't see who does it, so it doesn't tell me if you thumbs up or not, but it really does help my channel a lot, and I appreciate it immensely. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.